How do you speak flawlessly in your mother tongue? Did you spend too much time to improve your language? I'm sure you didn't. You were practicing at least two skills out of these four skills. These four skills are very important to excel any language. They are listening, reading, writing, and speaking. How did you learn to speak in your mother tongue when you were young? You didn't know any language at that time, right? Your parents started speaking to you in some language. For example, they would show a cat and say, "Hey, that's a cat. That's a bat. That's a dog. That's a table." And the next time when they show you the cat, you would know it's a cat. And the next time they show a dog, you knew it was dog, right? What were you doing there? You were actually listening to them. That's how you learn the pronunciation of each and every word. Not just that, you observe the formation of sentences, the usage of phrase, idioms, proverbs, and you started asking the meanings for the words that you didn't know, and that's how you learned your mother tongue, right? Now you will say, "I don't have anyone to speak English." No problem. You have internet, you have YouTube and other OTT platforms. Make sure you use it in a right way. Start watching English movies with subtitles. If you don't understand initially, don't worry, just pause it and Google the meaning, write down the meaning, understand the context of the sentence, and then play it, repeat. That brings us to the next skill, that is the speaking skills, which is the most important skill out of these four skills. I have asked you to make a list of new words with their meanings. What if you're just an observer who is just sitting back, relaxing, and just listening to others speaking? Will that alone improve your language? No. You have to start communicating in that particular language. Yes, most of the good speakers have practiced it the same way. What if you don't have anyone to practice it? Don't worry, talk to yourself. How will you know your mistakes? Record your speech, listen to it, and rectify your mistakes by yourself. I owe everything I am and everything I will be to books. Reading is to the mind and exercise is to the body. That's true. You will not just improve your language but also your lifestyle. You will change the way you think, the way you behave, the way you speak. You will be a different person after some time. Everyone has a different personality and their likes and dislikes are also different. You might pick a book which interests you and start reading it. Writing is an art. You can't use plain English that you prefer for everyday conversation. You have to grab readers' attention and pursue it throughout your article. Authors are the ones who introduce us to new stories, expressions, thoughts, emotions, etc. You can start writing a paragraph or a short story and you can share it with your friends. If they like it, it will motivate you to write more such stories. Take it as a challenge, use better words, read more, and then start writing. This way, it will improve your language. Can't have one with me. Together, falling fire. I hope you found this video helpful. Bye until next video.